Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how you can easily transfer any type of file or any type of APK to your TV from your mobile device. So it's so easy, just watch video till the end and you will understand every step. And those who need like there's a hint in this video for those who need something for free. So just watch the video till the end and you will understand it. So here the first step is to install the Send to PC or Send to TV. It's an app name and it is available in the Play Store of your TV. So just download this, send files to TV, and exactly the same app you should install it in your Android device. So as you can see, I have opened the app in my TV, and now I'll go to my Android device and open my Play Store. In here I'll search for Send to TV, and you just need to download this app on your these both device from which you need to transfer and from which you need to receive. So here now I'll select a file and send it to the Union TV, and you can see which app is transferring from my mobile device to the TV, and it's just a process how to transfer it. Now let's understand that how we can just watch that particular picture, video, or install that app in your TV. So for that you just need to install another app from your Play Store, which is Explore. You just need to search for X, and on the top you will get that app. So actually I'll remove the F, and here you can see this app. I'll also provide the link in the description, or you can just search for X and you will get that app. Install it and then open it, and when you will open it you will get the USB. I have also connected the USB to my TV, so it's showing me internal storage and SanDisk USB. So I'll select my internal storage, and then every type of app will be available in the download folder as like the mobile one. So just click on that, and here you can see it will tell me to install the app. And for those who know which type of app I'm installing in my TV, they'll understand that how great this trick is. And you must subscribe to my channel, because in future I'm going to give everyone the free Netflix. And maybe you are watching the video late, or maybe after the date, so you can also join my Discord account, and there is everything available on that page. So this was how I installed it. Now I'll bring that app to the front so we can every time watch it. So I click on add app to my favorite, and from here I'll select the app which is available here. And any type of app you can install it on your TV. You just need is an APK file, and just transfer it to your TV and then enjoy. So thanks for watching.